everyone, today let us talk about adjectives. What do we get in our mind when we talk about adjective? We get how a noun is or what kind of a noun. We have some types of adjectives. The first type of adjective is adjective of quality. It says how is a noun. Example, what a colorful dress. Here, colorful is describing noun which is adjective of quality. Next, adjective of quantity. In this, it tells how much of a noun. She has some of sugar. Here, some describes sugar which is adjective of quantity. Next, third adjective, demonstrative adjective. This indicates where a noun is. Example, look at those flowers. This those is indicating flowers, the place of the flowers. Now fourth type of adjective, possessive adjective. This shows a someone owns or their noun. Example, my friend is very kind. Here shows our own friend who is very kind. My indicates that it describes friend. These are the adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity and demonstrative. Now let's go to fourth. Fourth adjective is interrogative adjective. When we see a word interrogative, we get a word question in our mind. Interrogative adjective questions a noun like whose books are these? Whose indicates the book which is others. Now let's go to adjectives of numbers. In this adjectives of numbers, we have four types: cardinals, ordinals, indefinite and distributive. Now let's go to cardinals. Cardinals show the number of a noun, like there are 4 apples. 4 describes apples. Now ordinals. Ordinals show position or order of a noun, like he is fifth in the running race. Fifth indicates the noun which fifth is an ordinal. Next, indefinite. Indefinite adjective doesn't show us a correct number of adjectives. It just show how much. Like there is some water on the table. So some indicates the water, like an indefinite adjective. Now distributive adjective. Distributive adjective distributes each noun and forms a sentence. Now let us go with an example. Each children should write this exam. Each indicates the children which is distributing each children into each children so that the sentence become easier to tell by the word each. Next topic, order of adjectives. Now we already know that in a sentence we use one or more than one adjectives. So we need to follow a certain order of adjectives in a sentence. In that order we have some adjectives here: number, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin or nationality, material and purpose. So in this order, if we write a sentence, it will be suitable and a correct, excellent sentence. Now let's talk about formation of adjectives. To form adjectives, here we use 3 topics: nouns, verbs and adjectives. To form adjectives with nouns, we need to use some suffix so that it forms adjective. OUS, IC, able, full, AL and Y. Examples: honorable and beautiful. For honorable, she is a honorable girl. So here honorable is the adjective which describes about girl. Beautiful. That beautiful girl sang gracefully. Now here beautiful we use in a sentence to describe girl. Now for verbs we need to use suffix like full, able, less. Cheerful, example, cheerful and tasteless. Cheerful. In this competition, he is a cheerful boy. Means we can cheer him by his performance. Tasteless. Water is tasteless. Here, tasteless is describing water. We can add adjectives to adjectives so that we can form adjectives like suffixes like some, fold, whitish and ly. Reddish, example, reddish, twofold, reddish. If anything is very red in color, we use reddish, which is very red, not another color, only red. Like here is a reddish frog. Like reddish is describing frog that it's very red. And twofold. With this, she has a paper which has twofold. Twofold is the two. We use a number of adjectives and which is folded into two halves, which means two-folded paper. Now let us talk about compound adjectives. In this compound adjective, the adjective which is formed with one or more words is called compound adjective. Usually these adjectives are linked with a hyphen. Example, that girl is well known. Here well known is not linked with hyphen, but it can be used as a compound adjective. Now let's talk about collocation of adjectives. A sentence which contains a combination of noun and adjective which are often used together while speaking or writing. Example, we take great pride in keeping our school clean. Here, great and pride are adjectives and nouns which tells in a short form that they keep a great pride in keeping their school clean. Now, Mr. Rao is a regular customer at the bookshop. In this regular customer, regular means an adjective which is describing a customer, which both are used together in a sentence. Thank you.